Making possessions clear. Demystifying possessive determiners. Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a vital topic in English grammar, possessive determiners. These simple but powerful words help us understand who owns what in a sentence. They are essential to everyday conversation and written language, so let's dive right in. Possessive determiners are words that we use before a noun to demonstrate ownership or possession. They answer the question, whose is it? The main possessive determiners in English are my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. These words always come before the noun they are associated with, and they change based on who the owner is. For example, you might say, "This is my book," or "This is her book," depending on who the book belongs to. The key to using possessive determiners correctly is matching the determiner with the appropriate subject. Let's look at each one individually. My. Use this when you're referring to your own possessions. For instance, "This is my pen." Your. Use this when you're speaking to someone and referring to their possessions. Example: "Is this your jacket?" His and her. These are used when referring to the possessions of a man or woman, or boy or girl, respectively. For example, "This is his bike," or "This is her bike." Its. This one is less common and refers to the possession of a non-human entity or animal. For instance, "The dog wagged its tail." Our. Use this when referring to a possession that belongs to yourself and others. Example: "This is our house." Their. This is used when referring to the possessions of a group of people. For instance, "This is their car." Remember, the noun that the determiner is describing is always directly after the determiner. This is a key rule to remember. The best way to get a hold of possessive determiners is through practice. Try to use them in your daily conversation or in your writing. Remember to match the determiner with the correct subject and put it directly before the noun it's describing. You could practice by describing items in your room, like, "This is my chair," or "This is their painting," and so on. And there we have it, a quick introduction to possessive determiners in English. As you can see, they are straightforward once you understand their use. By using my, your, his, her, its, our, and their correctly, you'll be able to express ownership clearly and effectively. I hope this video has been helpful, and I encourage you to continue practicing your English. As always, keep learning and stay curious. See you in the next video.